Yeah.
So, my love, there's
Yes,
the
my love.
castle and there's
Yes.
the carousel. Would you
Yes.
like to go ride the carousel with me?
Yes, please, my love. I would love to.
Okay, mushy girl. Why so mushy?
Because I'm mushy because it's our last night together here at Magic Kingdom.
What, we're separating?
No, we're leaving Magic Kingdom.
Oh. All right, let's go on this ride.
Okay.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here we go. That's so cool up there. All right, Lise just figured out her favorite one. Is this the one? All right, she's gonna get on that one. That means I gotta climb up here. Great. Here we go. Climbing. Climbing. Okay, so we're supposed to put this strap. That strap is never gonna go around me.
Neither.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Maybe it's for just little ones.
Just little ones.
Well, honey, you're on your carousel.
Yes, I am on my carousel.
Look what's beside you.
I know. It's the castle. Magic Kingdom castle.
And you're on your favorite horse.
Yeah, he's very nice. He's nice. Which one did you get?
I got this one.
The red one.
The one I'm sitting on.
You got a nice white one. You're my
Shining on night on far first.
Yes. You're my knight.
It's farting armor.
No, it's a knight on a white horse. It's always little girls dream to see a knight on a white horse.
Yeah, but I'm not that.
So it's all good.
I don't have any armor. It's all tinted windows.
Tinted windows. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, they have 3 different steps.
Yeah, let's
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
get up there. Oh,
Yeah,
If
the
I
wind.
pull my hat off.
It's not a good thing. We're dead. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
What you doing?
I'm trying to take a picture of you.
I'm down here. No, I'm up here now. No, I'm down here now. No, I'm up here now. No, I'm down here. Can't get me.
Gotcha. I think so. Not you again. Off to the cage, man. You're going really fast.
I'm done.
Getting dizzy yet?
Hey, what are we going to
Getting dizzy now?
It's too fast.
Is it too fast?
It's too much.
Is it too much?
It's too much.
Too much? Too much?
Hey, we didn't try pulling the sword out of the stone.
No, we didn't.
What is up with that?
Too much? Too much? Getting dizzy now?
We came all this way. We didn't try pulling the sword out of the stone.
They don't have it here.
Right there, Lise. Look.
After when the ride's over, when it's both, take a picture of me on the horse.
You want me to take a picture? Okay, I just did took a picture. Hey, where you are? All right, Lise, what do you think?
It was awesome. I want to do it again, but we don't have time. It's awesome. Woohoo!
That was the carousel. Thanks for watching.